Wawo Isoko unyo bro wise meno mebete mena arese omovie Erasmus Ugbome no mabimo ewure mana hona mabtere ho ABCD iromu ho no mate so ABCD no mareti so vowel mayeti se vowel nano marero emiagbava evo Isoko Dauma re wega bezoroko ewure na rinumuho rito ukuho edinene tere dososon webile lomai Dauma re weroboruto follow. In Isoko language we have 27 alphabets and we have 4 dotted alphabets. In Isoko language we don't have C, Q and Ox. Eva Isoko mawo ibieme udegbile matejewo eneno iwo edoto evo utorai evao ibieme udegbile na mawe vowelizi nyo no mabenya haruna werete nwo vowelina evo uswo isasena. These are the alphabets in Isoko language. You have to repeat after me. A B D E F G H I G K L M N O P R S T U O V Y Z. These are the alphabets in Isoko language. You have to pronounce as you have heard them. If you look at it closely, you will discover that the vowels, they have a separate sound, and I'm going to read out the vowels now. A E I O O. These are the vowels. We have alphabets that have double letters, and we refer to them in Isoko as emiagbava abidina, as in letters joined together to form one. These are referred to as diphthongs in English, and in Isoko we refer to them as emiagbava abidina, and such examples are CH, chi, DH, D, GB, B, GH, G, KP, B, NW, NY, 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 ROH, RI, SH, SHI, TH, THI, VB, we, wh, we. I will stop here for the now. You have to revise them often to get used to them. Please kindly follow us on our Facebook pages, Isoko Channel Radio and Television and Isoko Channel TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Isoko Channel TV, so that you can get access to all our lecture series. I remain your presenter, Erasmus Ugbome. Wa Isoko, wa lelo mai vowel, iwario emeta maina, vowel i Facebook, vowel Isoko Channel Radio and Television, avo Isoko Channel TV, vowel YouTube, lelo mai, subscribe vowel Isoko Channel TV. Re warebobi no mafiho where. If you have advice or any comment, kindly email us at isokochanneltv@gmail.com or call our telephone number at 090-211-46595. Awomai, wete wo one hayo emijono wewolo tarakugbo mai. Hayo wewolo no mawunowe. Hayo omoran bio over somai vowel email me noro isokochanneltv@gmail.com. Ayo wire somai vowel tememai noro ugolo easy ugolo ive ovo ene ezeza iso easy iso 090-211-46595. Metata na meri Isoko say wa obobo wa tata rin ehin. Ma mera ro ibo ro say na wado.